Have you guys ever gotten a phone call from an unknown phone number saying when they left a voice message that they knew you, even though you have never heard of them? Or if you get a text from an unknown number and you think that they might have texted the wrong person, but you just don't know how to respond. If you guys have been through this, stop whatever you're doing and listen up. If you really want to find out who these numbers are coming from, there's a way to do it completely free. All you have to do is go to Google and type in the search engine numlookup.com. Now, once you click on this website, it'll have a search bar where you can immediately put in that phone number. Now, within seconds, this website will pull up their full name that the number belongs to, and as well, their address. Say you live in New York and you get a phone call from someone in Georgia, you're probably right that you don't know this person. This website honestly just shows me if I should respond or if it's just a scam. Because 9 out of 10 times it's most likely a scammer, so thank goodness I didn't respond. And you as well. So make sure to share this website with your friends and family so that they don't get scammed as well, and follow for more tips like these.